What's up, what's up, what's up, family? Black Guns and Gardens here. Hope everybody's doing well on this beautiful morning. Family, I just wanted to share with you guys a couple of new pickups, y'all. Yeah, a couple of new pickups. I could not pass them by, y'all. I tried to pass them by, family, but they just kept calling my name, y'all. They kept calling my name. Check it out, fam. That is that floor decking peach tree, y'all. A floor decking peach. Yeah. Floor decking peach. I couldn't pass it up, family. Check this out. I couldn't pass it up, fam. Oh no. That floor decking peach, y'all. I also came across this Anna apple. This beautiful Anna apple, y'all. Check it out. It's beautiful. But check this out. It's even more gorgeous, y'all. Look at that. That's the Anna apple, family. Had to bring them to their forever home, y'all. I tried to leave them, but they just kept calling me. They had to come to their forever home, family. Yeah. That's a floor decking peach and an Anna apple. But fam, you know, as always, when I'm out in this garden, y'all, I got to have a companion. So today, my companion is the Taurus 856, y'all. The Taurus 856, y'all. Chambered in 38 special. Yeah. It's hammer fired. Single action, double action. Has a smooth rubber grip. Check it out, fam. Anodized finish. Makes for a nice home defense or self-defense firearm, y'all. Check it out, fam. That's a Taurus 856 chambered in 38 special. Family, I appreciate all the support, family. I appreciate all the support. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, y'all. Black Guns and Gardens out.